Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to increase your mobile's RAM. So don't forget to subscribe. First go to your settings, go to about phone and click on the build number at least 10 to 12 times. Yeah, do it. After that, developer options will unlock. Click on it and enable that. Yeah, like that blue one. Click OK. Then scroll down. Scroll down. Yeah. Windows animation scale 0.5x. Yes, keep that 0.5x. Yeah. Again this also. Yeah, the last one too. Then go down and you can see the forced GPU rendering. It enables hardware acceleration in your device. Your mobile would get more faster. Yeah, enable that. Then go to force 4x MSA and enable that also. It will also help in smooth performance of a device. So this is all. Your mobile's RAM is increased. Yeah. So don't forget to like and subscribe this video. Goodbye guys.